Ever wonder why apple cider vinegar is all over social media? Well, it's not just a health trend, it's a weight loss powerhouse. Today, learn how 4 science-proven ways apple cider vinegar can help you shed those stubborn pounds. But how exactly does it work? In this video, we'll separate fact from fiction as we reveal 4 evidence-based ways apple cider vinegar can support your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Ever feel like your stomach is a bottomless pit? Like no matter how much you eat, you just can't seem to feel full? You're not alone. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is managing those pesky cravings that seem to strike at the worst times. That's where apple cider vinegar steps in. This humble kitchen staple has been touted for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to help control appetite. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a natural compound that may play a significant role in appetite regulation and overall digestive health. Studies suggest that acetic acid can help you feel fuller for longer by slowing down the rate at which food empties from your stomach. This means you stay satisfied and less likely to overeat. This means you're less likely to experience those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar that leave you reaching for unhealthy snacks. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for maintaining energy and reducing cravings. Think of it this way: apple cider vinegar helps put the brakes on your hunger hormones. By slowing down the release of these hormones, you can better manage your appetite. By keeping those hormones in check, you're better equipped to make healthier food choices and avoid overeating. This can be a game changer for anyone struggling with weight management. But how exactly does this work? How does a simple vinegar have such a profound effect on our appetite and metabolism? Well, acetic acid can increase your body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body can better manage glucose levels. When your cells are more sensitive to insulin, they can efficiently absorb glucose from your bloodstream, preventing those energy crashes that often lead to cravings. This helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. So, if you're looking for a natural way to tame your appetite and support your weight loss goals, apple cider vinegar might just be your new best friend. It's a simple addition to your diet that can make a big difference. Remember though, it's not a magic solution. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into a balanced diet and exercise routine is key for optimal results. Consistency and a holistic approach to health are essential for long-term success. Let's talk about metabolism, that internal engine that keeps your body running smoothly. It's the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Even when you're at rest, your body needs energy for all its basic functions, such as breathing, circulating blood, and repairing cells. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories, even at rest, making weight management a whole lot easier. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Now here's where apple cider vinegar comes in. This humble kitchen staple has been touted for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to boost metabolism. Some studies suggest that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can give your metabolism a gentle nudge in the right direction. Acetic acid is the main active component of vinegar and is believed to have various beneficial effects on health. Acetic acid may help activate certain enzymes involved in fat breakdown. These enzymes play a crucial role in metabolizing fats, making it easier for your body to use stored fat as energy. This means your body becomes more efficient at utilizing stored fat as fuel, boosting your overall calorie expenditure. When your body is better at burning fat, it can help you achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. Think of it like this: apple cider vinegar helps turn up the thermostat on your metabolism, helping you burn calories more effectively throughout the day. It's like giving your metabolism a little extra push to keep it running at an optimal level. But it's not just about burning calories. Apple cider vinegar has other benefits that can contribute to overall metabolic health. Apple cider vinegar may also help improve insulin sensitivity, as we discussed earlier. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body can handle blood sugar more effectively, reducing the risk of storing it as fat. This improved insulin sensitivity can further enhance your metabolic health by ensuring your body is using glucose for energy instead of storing it as fat. When your body uses glucose efficiently, it can help prevent weight gain and support weight loss. So, by incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine, you might just give your metabolism the boost it needs to support your weight loss efforts. Whether you add it to your meals, mix it with water, or use it in a salad dressing, this simple addition could make a significant difference in your metabolic health and overall well-being. Now let's dive into everyone's favorite topic: fat burning. Whether you're hitting the gym, jogging in the park, or just trying to stay active, the goal is often the same: to burn fat and get in shape. We all know that shedding those extra pounds requires burning more calories than we consume. This means a combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise is key. But what if there was a way to make this process a bit easier? But what if there was a way to give your body an extra edge in the fat-burning department? Enter apple cider vinegar. This humble kitchen staple has been touted for its numerous health benefits, and aiding in fat loss is one of them. Studies suggest that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can play a role in promoting fat oxidation, which is the process of breaking down fat molecules for energy. This means that apple cider vinegar could potentially help your body burn fat more efficiently. Here's how it works. Acetic acid may help increase the activity of certain enzymes involved in fat metabolism. These enzymes are crucial for breaking down fats and converting them into usable energy. This enhanced enzyme activity can lead to a greater breakdown of stored fat, making it available for your body to use as fuel. So, when you're working out, your body can tap into these fat stores more readily. Imagine apple cider vinegar as a key that unlocks your fat cells, releasing stored energy to power your workouts and daily activities. But that's not all. It also helps in maintaining your energy levels, making your workouts more effective. Apple cider vinegar may also help reduce the production of new fat cells, further supporting your weight loss journey. By preventing the formation of new fat, it helps you maintain your progress and avoid setbacks. So, by incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet, you might just give your body the extra push it needs to tap into those fat stores and accelerate your progress. Whether you add it to your salads, drink it as a tonic, or use it in your cooking, apple cider vinegar can be a valuable ally in your fat-burning journey. Let's talk about the often overlooked hero of weight management: gut health. You might be surprised to learn that a healthy gut plays a crucial role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. And guess what? Apple cider vinegar can lend a helping hand in this department too. Apple cider vinegar is a natural prebiotic, meaning it provides nourishment for the beneficial bacteria that reside in your gut. These friendly bacteria are essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Think of apple cider vinegar as a fertilizer for your gut, helping those good bacteria flourish and thrive. When your gut microbiome is in balance, it can better support your weight loss efforts. A healthy gut can help regulate appetite hormones, reduce inflammation, and even improve your body's ability to burn fat. So, by supporting a healthy gut with apple cider vinegar, you're not just improving your digestion, you're also creating a more favorable environment for weight management. So, there you have it, 4 incredible ways apple cider vinegar can support your weight loss goals. From curbing cravings and boosting metabolism to enhancing fat burning and promoting a healthy gut, this pantry staple might just be the missing ingredient in your weight loss journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And as always, remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Here's to a healthier, happier you.